Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to set the payment method in the Southwest app. Just open the app, wait a little bit, then click on your profile, which you can find in the top right corner, and then tap on View Payment. Wait a little bit, and then you can set your payment preferences by clicking add the new card. You can add your card information. You can even put a tick here, which means that this card will be the primary payment. You will have to select the type of the card, add all details, and then scroll down and save. That's basically it. I hope this will be useful for you.